How to fix unable to delete a folder. If you get this message, do the following steps. Right-click that folder and click on Properties. Open Security tab. Click on Advance. Click on Change Permission. Click on Disable Inheritance. Click on Disable all inherited permission from this object. Click on Apply. Press Yes. Press Continue until it gone. Right-click that folder and click on Properties. Click on Change. Enter your username and press OK. Click on Check Names. Now click on OK. Now check Replace Owner on Subcontainer and Object. Click on Apply. Press Yes. Click on OK. Now check Replace all child object permission entries with inheritable permission entries from the object. Click on Apply. Press Yes. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now you can delete that folder. Now your problem should be fixed. Guys, please like and subscribe my channel.